Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram channel organized and control who can post stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to prevent specific channel admins from posting stories on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged in with an account that has the necessary admin rights for the channel you want to manage. Next, head over to your channel. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open it. Once inside, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will bring up the channel's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings. Now, look for the edit option, usually represented by a pencil or the word edit. Tap on it to enter the channel's editing mode. Inside the editing menu, you'll see a section labeled Administrators. Tap on this to view the list of all admins in your channel. Scroll through and select the admin whose story posting permissions you want to change. When you tap on the admin's name, you'll see a set of permissions specific to that person. Find the section called Manage Stories. Here you'll notice an option that allows the admin to post stories. To prevent this admin from posting stories, simply toggle the Add New Admins option off. This setting controls whether the selected admin can add new admins, and in some updates, also affects their ability to manage stories. Make sure the switch is turned off. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save. Tap the Save button at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your device. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully restricted that admin from posting stories on your Telegram channel. This helps you maintain control over your channel's content and ensures only trusted admins can share stories with your audience. Thanks for watching. For more Telegram tips and updates, stay tuned.